Why Tuguegarao is famous for this pancit? One city, one pancit, legendary status. Most people think pancit is just noodles and meat, but in Tuguegarao, they took pancit to another level, and outsiders usually don't understand it at first. This is pancit batil patong, Tugegarao's most iconic dish. Batil means egg, patong means to stack. First layer, stir-fried Mickey noodles loaded with pork karahay, kara beef, liver, cabbage, mung bean sprouts, and soy sauce. Second layer, a poached egg dropped right on top. Third layer, ground carabao meat and lechon kawali. Then comes the secret weapon, the egg drop soup. You don't pour it right away. You sip it while eating. The heat from the noodles slowly cooks the egg, coating everything in richness. Add calamansi, chili oil, garlic vinegar. Customize every bite. It's salty, savory, beefy, silky, and spicy all at once. This isn't just food, it's an experience. Would you try Pansit Batil Patong? Comment yes or no and follow for more Filipino food you need to know.